Hello, this is the full setup of the RaceGorilla timing system. Apart from our well-known blue box GPS clock, we now have got photocells, tripod and a horn. Everything is aligned. We have a start and a finish system. So the only thing I can do now is switch the transmitter on. There's an internal battery that lasts for about 24 hours when it's on. The receiver is connected via a 10-meter cable to the GPS clock. We switch the GPS clock on. It has to look for a time sync first. Check GPS, it says, so we have to wait for a while. But the system already works, and the new thing is I added a button to enable the start. So when I push this, you can hear a series of beeps. So now the start is activated, and when I pass through the start line, it will detect a time and send it to the app. Now, as you can hear, or as you can see, first of all, I've added the water leveler on each of the devices, so it's easy to align them. But actually it's really easy because this is the transmitter has a very wide beam, and it's only a narrow beam on this side, so on the receiving side, so it's quite easy to align them. As you can hear, there's an internal beep for normal use. So that was a time beep, but you can also add the external beeper to it for a much louder beep. Click. Now it doesn't work, it's disabled, but when I switch it on again, enable the start, you hear a much louder beep. And then again, while crossing the start line, you'll hear a loud beep. Over to the finish line. The finish line you don't have to activate, so you just switch it on here. The external beeper is already inserted, so we switch it on here, and actually the finish line is always on, so even if you have a close finish, you will hear this beep immediately. Now, one of the cool things of our system that if you have a pedal passing through at high speed, like this, it won't register. Only if you pass with your body or a pedal at low speed, then it will beep. So, fast passing, no registration. Slow passing, yes, registration. Okay, that's basically how it works.